Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today I saw smoke was coming from my fan regulator. So I took it out and let us understand what went wrong with this fan regulator. Okay. So if you look at this point, it has two wire, okay, two cable, and I see there is something went wrong with this part. So let me take it out this part first, okay, and let us understand what is there inside this. So I see one PCBA. So you can see this is the PCBA, and I see some capacitor. Three capacitors are connected here. If you look at this capacitor 1, 2 and 3, and if you look at this point, I believe there is a parallel resistance connected with this capacitance. Okay, so I see parallel resistance here. I don't see for this capacitor, but I also see there is a parallel, maybe parallel resistance across this capacitor. Okay, so this is a PCBA, and I see if I take it out this portion, let me take it out, and if you see here, this is basically a encoder is there. Maybe if you look at this is rotating part. If I fix this again, this is the rotating part, if you see, and this is the knob or encoder. So if you look at the whole PCBA, this is very simple circuit they have built. They are using one encoder, and if you look at three capacitor and the resistor in parallel with these capacitor. Okay, so if I look at this point here, you can see this point. So I see the capacitor is bulging out. There is something wrong with this capacitor, and I see something, this the upper part of this capacitor is coming off. So that might be the reason of smoke. There is something wrong with this capacitor, or maybe the problem with capacitor life. I don't know what is the reason, but because of that the smoke was coming. So if you have some experience what went wrong with this capacitor, or what went wrong with this fan speed controller, okay, so you can write on the comment section. I'll happy to see your comments there. So thanks for watching this video.